Is your 2005 BMW X5's alarm going off for no reason? You're not alone. This model is known for its sensitive alarm system, even 20 years after it was made. The most common culprits are three specific components that tend to fail or become overly sensitive with age. First, the tilt and interior motion sensor, located in the overhead console near the sunroof controls. This sensor detects vehicle movement and interior motion using ultrasonic technology, but it's the most common cause of false alarms in 2005 X5 models. Second, the Siren battery. This is an independent backup battery within the Siren unit, located in the engine bay. It's designed to sound the alarm even when the main battery is disconnected, but typically only lasts 3 to 5 years. The third component is the hood switch, which detects whether the hood is properly closed. These components fail in predictable ways. The motion sensor becomes overly sensitive with age, especially during windy conditions or when parked on slopes. The Siren battery shows symptoms like intermittent chirping or weak alarm sounds when failing. The hood switch can corrode or become misaligned, causing the system to think the hood is always open. Industry data shows that tilt and interior sensors account for 65% of alarm issues in E53 X5s. Siren battery problems make up 25% of cases, and hood switch issues represent the remaining 10%. Understanding these three components and their failure patterns is the first step toward resolving your BMW X5's alarm issues. In the next section, we'll cover how to diagnose and fix these problems. The first and easiest solution is to temporarily disable the interior protection through your BMW's iDrive system. Navigate to Vehicle Settings, then Door Locks, and finally Interior Protection to turn it off. If the iDrive Disable doesn't work, you can physically disconnect the tilt and interior motion sensor. This sensor is located in the overhead console near the sunroof controls. Simply remove the connector to permanently disable it. For Siren battery issues, test the voltage first. A failing battery typically shows 6 to 8 volts instead of the normal 12 volts. The Yuasa NP7-12 replacement battery costs only $25 to $50 and can often be replaced yourself. The hood switch should be visually inspected for corrosion or damage. Use a multimeter to test for continuity. Often, simple adjustment can resolve issues before you need to replace the entire switch. If you prefer professional service, expect to pay around $150 to $200 for diagnostic fees and $200 to $400 for selective component replacement. Many issues can be resolved with targeted repairs rather than complete system overhauls. Remember, start with the simple iDrive disable, then move to physical disconnection if needed. Test your Siren battery voltage and don't overlook hood switch adjustment. Most alarm issues can be resolved with these targeted approaches.